I feel she's an elderly dog, because she's very fragile on the bones. What do you call it? Very soft. Oh, okay. Mop head. Okay. Eye area. Eyes very red. Oh. Sometimes it's a Shih Tzu thing, but this looked like a little infection around the eye area. Anyway, we'll have a look. We have a number 7. Oil my blade, as the instruction says. I love my new clipper. So quiet and works through matted coat very well. Very smooth. Okay, this is okay, you can lie down, Momolu. Yes, she's an older dog. Okay, good girl. Okay, come on, stand up please. Thank you very much. Oh, okay, good girl. Oh, you see my clipper? It's very smooth, even though it's a bit dirty, very dusty, the fur. In 1 sec, I think there's still 1 leg to go. Sorry, got distracted. A lot of customers comes in and just want a nice chat. So because I'm working by myself now, I have to chat and work. So I had a short conversation with her, and while I'm shaving this dog. That's why you probably missed most of the body, but there's still 1 leg to go, don't worry. We'll shave the ears as well. I'm gonna do the face later. Just gonna check out if the face is very dirty. Okay. Okay. Last leg. Good. Good. Oh, the bones. Can you hear that click sound? Yep. Okay, you're a little old dog. You're a little old lady. Yeah? You're a cute lady. She's probably a very beautiful dog when she was younger. Well, we're gonna see what's wrong with the eyes. Maybe just hair got caught into the eye area. Sometimes when they come with hair as long as hers, the eye area gets infected very easily. And whose fault is that? Well, you can blame your mommy, okay? Or daddy. Okay. Let me use my noisy mini clipper. Oh, I really need to research for one that's lasting longer and less noise. Listen to this sound. Oh wow. Good girl. Okay. I think it's this eye. Okay. We're going to wash the face, soften this part. It's too hard to shave it off. Soften this part and we're gonna brush it out. That's probably better. Otherwise she doesn't like it now. Okay, we're gonna go now. Okay, we are back. So now she is all nice and clean. She's a bit nervous now. It's all right. Oh, the eye area is better. Look, this is gone. Oh, she's very nervous. So we're gonna do a quick clip it. Oh, my noisy mini clipper. Oh, nervous dog, and with a mini clipper like that. Okay. Just the tip of the nail, since there's not much to cut off. Okay, this one's a bit more. Okay, there is so many dogs. There are so many dogs that came in for nail cut this whole week. And oh, that's a long one. Yes, it's always a Jew call. Yes, so I always told those owners to cut it from behind. It's much easier when they don't see your face, and you get less frightened that you'll cut them, because you can see everything you're gonna cut. See, I can see what I'm gonna cut here, and just cut it off. Just cut the tip off. Tip. Okay. Okay, and then you can file it if you want. But if you cut it to a certain length, you don't really need to file it unless you don't want to get filed. Okay. Okay, we're back again. Yes, there's so many people coming in and out. That's why I have to stop all the filming. Okay. This is a bit tangled. We're gonna cut this off. So what was I saying? Forgot it. Okay. Yes, I really can't remember. Yes. Teeth problem. That's why that dog don't let owners touch the face, and I couldn't do anything. Owners doesn't want to go to a vet, so I managed to scissor around the area using my thick glove to protect my hand, because when they're in pain, a lot of the times they try to scare you by showing aggression, same as you and me. So I don't blame the dog, but you also have to keep the nice tidy face, nice and tidy. That's there. Oh, she still remembers. What can I do? Come on, Momo. Just this part, can I do it? I'm gonna lower my, at least I get the neckline out. Can I? No. Okay, maybe this way. Yeah. Even though it's a bit dangerous because I'm not 100% in control of my right hand. If I can't grab tightly with my left hand, I'm not very scared to use my right hand. Okay. That's all I can do. It's not 100% satisfactory, but I think... Okay, can I hold two of your hands and just... Just that one little tiny... No? Okay. I'll leave you alone. Now we're gonna do the head. That's the best I can do in order not to discourage you from coming. I'm just gonna leave it like that and hope that you will like me better next time. Yeah? Okay, good girl. Okay, at least the head cut's easier. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the fringe or the bangs. Bye. Yeah! Without her being noticing. Great, I did it. That string's off. String of hair. I just secretly attacked that piece of hair. Okay. Okay. We're nearly done. It's not hard to shave off everything, but it is hard when you have a nervous dog because you don't know if she or he... Okay, just that last bit. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, good girl. Okay. See, that string's off. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I've done a wonderful job. Okay, you can go home. Yeah, good girl. See? At least, well, there are some more that you can shave off, but yes, in her condition, I think that's good enough. Yes? Okay. Thank you for watching and say goodbye to everybody. Thank you. No. Okay. Bye.